Which of the following is an application software? Compiler, MS Office, operating system, none of these.
MS Office.
MS Office.
Correct. Which of the following applications belongs to MS Office? Gmail, Chrome, Photoshop, Word.
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 Correct. MS Office Personal Information Manager is what? Organizer, Outlook, Access, Internet Explorer. Personal Information Manager.
Outlook.
Option
Outlook, correct. MS Outlook. Which of the following is not an example of presentation graphics software? Not an example. PowerPoint, CorelDRAW, Fox Pro, Macromedia. Which is not an example of presentation graphics software?
Fox Pro
Corel
था
Draw.
क्या?
Fox Pro. Fox Pro is a text-based programming language. Which of the following are products of MS Office suite? ଗୋଟେ ବି ହେଇପାରେ ଦୁଇଟା ବି ହେଇପାରେ ତିନିଟା ବି ହେଇପାରେ Word, Access, Oracle.
Word ଆଉ Access.
Correct. Word and Access are products of MS Office suite. Which of the following is not a version of MS Office? Not a version. MS 2000, MS 2003, MS Vista, MS 2007.
MS
Vista.
Correct. Vista is an operating system developed by Microsoft. Which is an example of graphics, multimedia, and presentation package? PageStream, Page Plus, CorelDRAW, Corel Ventura.
Corel Venture.
Draw.
CorelDRAW.
Draw.
A dash is a pre-designed document with a coordinating font, layout, and background. Dash is a pre-designed document with a coordinating font, layout, and
Excel.
background. Ruler,
Template.
correct. Template.
Template.
Which is not an example of a word processor? MS Word, Google Doc, OpenOffice Calc, Notepad.
OpenOffice Calc.
Correct. OpenOffice Calc is a spreadsheet program like MS Excel. Which software is used in word processing? PageMaker, WordStar, MS Word, all of these.
MS
All
Word.
of these.
All of these.
All of these. Which is the function key displays the print preview window in MS Office? Shift plus F2, Alt plus F2, Control plus F2, Alt plus Control plus F2.
Control plus
Shift
Control
plus F2.
Control plus F.
Control plus
Control
F2.
F2.
Correct. Control plus F2. What is the second name of MS Word? System software, workbook, word processor, database system.
Word processor.
Word processor.
Correct. Word processor. In MS Word, if MS Office button exists, then it is located on the dash corner of the window. Top left, top right,
Top left.
bottom right, bottom
Top left.
correct.
Top left.
Top left corner. Which main menu item of MS Word 2007 contains footnote and endnote command? Insert, page layout, references, home.
Insert.
Reference.
Correct.
Reference.
References. Which shortcut key, function key, is used to open the help viewer window in MS Word? at any time. F5, F1, F10,
F1.
F1. F1.
F1. In which tab is page borders options available in MS Word 365? Preview, home,
Layer.
design, developer.
Design.
Design.
Design, correct. Computer tools such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint are products of which company? Intel, Microsoft, Apple, Google.
Microsoft.
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 Microsoft. Which of the following bars is not a part of writer interface in a word processor? Which of the following bars is not a part of writer interface in a word processor? Menu bar, formula bar, title bar, toolbar.
Formula bar.
Correct. Formula bar.
Formula bar.
Which is the sequence of steps used to open an existing MS Word document? Home,
Control
then open,
O.
file, then open, home, then new, file, then new.
File then
File
File
new.
open.
File new.
File open.
File, then new. Sorry, open, correct. File, then click on open option. Which is the sequence of steps used to create a bulleted list for the text in MS Word? Layout, then bullets, design, then bullets, home, then bullets, insert, then bullets.
design.
Home
Design.
bullets.
Home then bullet.
Home bullets.
Correct. Bullets ta home रहता है.
Home.
Home, then bullets. If you dash is a temporary holding area the computer uses for any item that has been copied or cut. Alignment,
Clipboard.
clipboard, autocorrect,
Clipboard.
indentation.
Clipboard.
Correct. Clipboard.
Clipboard.
What is the purpose of keyboard shortcut? Control plus left bracket in MS Word. Center the text, cancel a
My
comment,
voice.
decrease the font size by 1 point.
Decrease the font size.
Decrease the font size.
Correct. Decrease the font size by 1 point. And control plus right bracket increases the font size by 1 point. Which is not a word processing file extension. Not a word processing file extension. .bat, .rtf, .doc, .docx.
DOCX.
Dot doc.
RTF.
R-
CX.
Dot
dot bat
active.
dot bat is a disk operating system batch file extension, whereas doc, .rtf, .docx all are word processing file extensions. Next, which operation is not possible with respect to inserting rows and columns in MS Word? Table. In MS Word, table. Which operation is not possible with respect to inserting rows and columns in MS Word table? Insert left, insert right, insert across, insert below.
Across.
Correct.
Insert across.
Correct.
Insert.
Insert across option କିଛି ନଥାଏ ସେମିତି. Insert columns to the left ଥାଏ, insert columns to the right ଥାଏ, insert rows above ଥାଏ, insert rows below ଥାଏ. What will be the total number of cells of an MS Word 365 table if number of rows is 13 and number of columns is 17? Total number of cells, what will be the total number of cells in the table? If number of rows is 13
221.
and number of columns is 17. 2 to
221.
correct. 2
Two
to
to
221.
one.
2 to 1, 221. The drop cap feature of MS Word can be used to create very large size letters at dash of a paragraph. Second row,
Starting.
start and last line.
Start.
Start.
Starting.
Start.
Correct. To copy and paste the text in the same MS Word document, what is the correct order of keyboard shortcut commands? Control plus C and V, Control plus P and S, Control plus V and C, Control plus S and M.
Fast one, sir.
Fast.
Control plus
Fast.
C.
PLC.
Control B.
P
Control,
ଆଉ V.
C and V, correct. Fast.
CFV.
Control plus C is for copy. Control plus V is for paste. Control plus X is for
Save.
Save.
cut.
Save.
X कहली X cut.
Cut.
Caught.
Which is the following steps must be carried out to create a MS Word document? Step wise तीन step अच्छी कोटा correct करो. File, create blank document. File, create document. File, new blank document. File, new document.
File.
File
File
new black
new
document.
black document.
Correct.
See it as a
Correct.
Sheet.
File, new blank document. What is the shortcut key used to open a new blank document in MS Word? Control plus M, N,
Control.
S, P.
N.
N.
control
Control plus N.
plus
Correct.
M
N.
M
New कहिए.
N.
M
New for
N.
M.
N.
Control plus N.
N.
N for new. So
M.
Control plus N is the shortcut key to create a new document. Control plus S is to save the document. Control plus P, print the document. Control plus M, M for mango, indent the paragraph. Indent the paragraph. Which function key is used to open the Save As window in MS Word? F4, F5, F12.
F12
F12.
F12.
F12
Correct, correct. ଆଉ ଥରେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲି which is the keyboard shortcut to open print preview window in MS Word? Control plus F1, F2,
control
F3.
plus
F2.
P
Control
F2.
plus
F2.
F2.
F2 control plus F2
Correct. Control plus F2. Which shortcut key is used to change the case of जो change case था कि change the case of selected text in MS Word? Shift plus C, Shift plus F3, Shift plus F5, Control plus N.
C
C plus
plus
F3.
F3
Correct.
F3
Shift plus F3, correct. Now Shift plus F5 is used to move to the last navigation. Which shortcut key is used to open a document in MS Word? Shift plus O, Control plus O, Alt plus O, Control plus Alt plus O.
Control plus O.
control
Control
plus
plus
O
O.
Correct. Control plus O. What is the shortcut key to align the text to the right? Control plus L, R, E, J.
control
R.
plus R
Correct.
Right R.
R
Correct.
R.
Control plus R. Align text to the right. What is the shortcut key to align text to the left?
L.
control plus
Left.
L
Control plus L.
Correct. What is the shortcut key to align text in the center?
control
Control
plus
plus E.
E
E, correct. Control plus E. What is the shortcut key to align the text? Justify.
control
Control
plus
plus
J
Plus
J.
Control plus
J
correct. What is which of the following commands is a part of page setup menu in MS Word? Page setup menu. Watermark, page color, orientations, page border.
orientation orientation
orientation.
Correct.
All page border भी अच्छी.
Orient orientation.
page
Orientation command is a part of page setup menu in MS Word. Which menu item of MS Word contains columns command, which is used to split text into two or more columns? Home, insert, page layout, references.
Page layout.
insert
Page layout, correct. No है not MS Word रे कोठी थाए columns command page layout.
Insert.
Page layout, correct.
insert
Page layout.
Page layout.
Which menu includes delete rows or delete columns, delete cells, delete table options? Insert, page layout, layout, design.
Design.
Layout menu, layout,
option
layout menu, layout कहली answer ହେଲା layout menu has the delete rows, columns, delete cells, delete table options in MS Word. Strike through option, which is used to cross something by drawing a line, is available in which tab of MS Word? Mailings, developer, home, review.
Home.
Home.
Correct.
Home.
Home tab.
home
Home, correct. which symbol is used, which symbol should be typed automatically to convert a sentence into a bulleted list in MS Word 365. Star, hash, ampersand, percentile.
Ampersand.
Ampersand.
Star, star,
Theta.
star. Type a star then space କରିଦେଲେ ବୁଲେଟେଡ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ। ଓହୋ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟପିକ୍ ଚୁଜ୍ କରିକି ଟାଇପ୍ କରୁଥାଏ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ବୁଲେଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ। ହଉ
Bulleted.
ହେଇଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, which option is used to specify number of prints required in print option in MS Word? Which option is used to specify number of prints required in print option? Collated, copies, orientation,
Copies.
size.
Copies. Copies.
Copies.
Correct,
Copies.
correct, correct. Copies. Next, to delete a word on the left side in a MS Word document, which keyboard shortcut is used? Delete a word on the left side. Control plus
Backspace.
backspace,
Space bar.
control plus
Backspace.
delete,
Backspace.
Backspace.
control
Backspace.
plus enter, control plus insert.
Control plus
Control plus
Backspace.
backspace.
Correct. Control plus backspace. Which option in MS Word 365 is used to apply formatting to specific borders of a table? Table style, border painter, pen color.
border
Border
style.
style.
Border
Border
painter.
painter.
Border painter.
Correct. Border
Border
painter.
style.
Border painter.
Border.
In MS Word 365, border painter is used to apply formatting to specific borders of a table. Which of the following is added to the end of the document to add explanatory of information in MS Word 365? Endnote,
And
footnote, header,
And
footer.
footnote.
End note.
Endnote. Endnote.
End
Footnote,
note.
footnote, footnote. Footnote appears at the bottom of the page and endnote comes at the end of the document. A number or symbol on the footnote or endnote matches up with the reference mark in the document. Endnote होगा, sorry, endnote. Footnote टा page होगा, page ର end रे, तो document end रे endnote. Which orientation option is used to display a document horizontally in MS Word 365?
landscape.
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 Correct. Landscape is used to display a document horizontally and portrait is used to display it vertically. In MS Word 365, a specific text box that points to a specific location on a document with or without a small background is called what? Footnote,
Text
endnote,
box.
callout, format painter.
What am
Sir,
I
option.
A,
Author.
C option take
a
sir.
specific text box that points to a specific location on a document with or without a small background is called what? Format painter, footnote, endnote, callout.
call out?
Format
Call out.
painter.
All out.
Format.
ଇନଷ୍ଟାଗ୍ରାମରେ ବି ଯେତେବେଳେ
All out.
ଜଣକୁ ଟ୍ୟାଗ୍ କରୁ ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ
Right.
ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଥାଏ ତ ସେଇଟାକୁ କଲ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ କହନ୍ତି। ମାନେ ସେଇଠି କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ତାର ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ୍ ଦେଖେଇବ ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଇଏ, ତ ସେଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଫିଚର୍ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ରେ ବି ଥାଏ। Specifically, a call out is a type of text box that also includes a line for pointing to any location on the document. It is helpful when you need to identify or explain parts of a picture. Next, under the draw ribbon, we can add the pen option and the following can be selected. କୋଉଟା ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହବନି ମାନେ ନଥାଏ କୋଉଟା ଡ୍ର ରିବନରେ we can add the pen option and ପେନ୍ ଅପସନରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଜିନିଷ ଥାଏ ଯୋଉଟା ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରେ ତ କୋଉଟା ନଥାଏ ପେନ୍ ପେନସିଲ ପେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରଶ ହାଇଲାଇଟର
Highlighter.
Paintbrush.
Highlighter.
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 ପେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରଶ
Pencil. Pencil.
ପେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରଶ ନଥାଏ ପେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରଶ ଇଜ ଏ ଟୁଲ ଅଫ ପେଣ୍ଟ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
Oh.
under the draw ribbon we can add the pen pencil and highlighter options. A software application capable of creating, storing, and printing documents is called which type of software? Browser, word processor, image editor, electronic mail.
Word processor.
Word processor.
Correct, correct. In MS Word, which function key, if possible, repeats the last command or action? F3, F1, F2, F4.
F2.
Repeats the last command or action. F4.
F4.
F4, correct. F4. F1 displays the help task pane, and F2 moves the selected text. F4 repeats the last command or action if possible. F5 displays the go to dialog box. Next, the term wide, narrow, mirrored describe which option in MS Word in terms of layout? Breaks, margins, orientation, size.
Margin.
Margins.
Margin.
Correct. Wide, mirrored, and narrow all display the margin options in the page setup group of MS Word. Which option best describes the words regular, bold, italic in MS Word 365?
Font style.
Style.
Font style.
Answer.
Font size. Font size.
Style.
Which option is not associated with delete cells dialog box in MS Word? Which option is not used or not associated with delete cells dialog box in MS Word? Delete entire column, delete entire row, shift cells up, split cells.
Split cell.
Split cells.
Correct.
ନିମ୍ନ type.
करेक्ट स्प्लिट सेल्स डिलीट कथा कही तो स्प्लिट हेले तो डिलीट हबनी ना तो शिफ्ट sorry split cells is not the option associated with delete cells. In delete cells dialog box, shift cell left, shift cell up, delete entire row, delete entire column options are given. Screenshot option is available in which tab of MS Word? Home, insert, design, review.
Review.
Insert.
Review.
Insert, correct, insert. Which keyboard shortcut is used to center a line text in MS Word? Author.
Control E.
Control E.
Control plus E.
Correct. Control plus E. Which of the following tabs MS Word 365 has options like save, save as, open a new document, data,
Home.
data,
Home.
home, file, review.
File.
File.
Home.
File. File.
File, correct. File. File tab has save, save as, open, new, print, etc. options. Which main menu items in MS Word includes watermark command, page layout,
Design.
insert, home, references,
References.
Reference.
Reference.
Design. Font.
page layout,
Insert.
insert, home, references,
Insert.
Page layout.
Page.
Page
Page
layout. Page
layout.
layout.
page layout, correct,
Page layout.
page layout. Which shortcut key is used to save the contents of the currently opened Word documents in MS Word? Alt plus S,
Control S.
Control plus S, Shift plus S.
Control S.
Correct, correct. Control plus
Control plus.
S. Which keyboard shortcut is used to go to the File tab in MS Word? Alt plus
Control plus G.
option nahi. Option hela Alt
Alt
plus.
plus F.
Correct, correct. Alt plus F to go to the File tab in MS Word. Which command is not related to page setup menu in MS Word? Not related to page setup menu. Page color, page paper size, margins, orientations.
Orientation. नहीं नहीं
Orientation.
नहीं 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 आउथरे ऑप्शन
Not
Page color. First option.
correct,
Page color.
पेज कलर
correct, correct.
Page color. Not
Page color option is available in page background menu. The keyboard shortcut to open a new blank document is what? Author.
Control O.
Control N.
Control plus
In
Correct.
control N.
Control
N.
plus N, correct. N for nose. A reference to data that reader can directly follow by selecting is what? Hypertext,
Hello.
hyperlink,
Hyperlink.
hypermedia, hypermark.
Hyperlink.
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 Correct, hyperlink. Mention the keyboard shortcut that is used to access insert hyperlink window in MS Word. Alt,
Control K.
Control
Control
K.
plus K.
correct.
Control plus K.
Control plus K and opens the find and replace window. What is the shortcut key?
Control plus
Control
Control
H.
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 H, correct. H for horse. Control plus H opens find and replace window, which is not a valid tab in table properties window in MS Word. Row, column, table, seat.
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 Seat,
It.
correct. Seat is not a valid tab in a table properties window. Which of the following enables you to switch between single page and two page views in MS Word? View, home, review, design.
Review.
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 View menu.
Review.
View
View.
menu.
View.
View menu enables you to
View.
switch between single page and two page views in MS Word. Which MS Word feature draws a line passing through the text? Subscript, strike through,
Strike
underline, drop
through.
cap.
Strike
Strike
through.
through.
Subscript.
Strike
Subscript.
through, strike
Strike
through.
through.
Correct, strike through.
Strike.
In MS Word, options like bold, underline, and italic appear under which tab? Design, home, insert,
Home
review.
tab.
Home.
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 Correct, home. In which of the following options is not available in editing group of home tab in MS Word? Editing group of home tab in MS Word. Not available. Find, replace, start dictation, select.
Start
Start
dictation.
Start
dictation.
dictation. Seat as a
Correct, correct. Start dictation is not available in home tab and editing group. Find, replace, select, all these options are available. Which is not a menu bar option in MS Word. Not a menu bar option. References, mailings, dictate, developer.
Dictate.
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 detect.
Correct, correct. Dictate is not available in menu bar option. A footnote appears dash in an MS Word document. Top of page, top of document,
Bottom.
below the document,
Bottom. Bottom.
bottom
Bottom.
of page,
Below the bottom of
Below
the
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 page.
page.
document.
Last one.
bottom of
Below the
page,
page.
page, bottom of page.
Bottom of the page.
End note ase end of document re.
Bottom of the document.
Correct. Which option of page setup is used to select the page size for a document in MS Word? Which option of page setup is used to select the page size of a document in MS Word? Columns, orientations, size, margin.
Orientation.
Size.
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 Orientation.
Size.
Size option, correct.
Size.
Size option of page setup is used to select the page size for a document.
ତ ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉ landscape horizontal ଯୋଉଟା ଯାଉଛି page orientation ର ତ ସେଇଟା ସେ
ହଁ landscape
ସେଟା ତ
portrait
ନା ସେଟା
ତ
ତ
ସେଇଟା size ରେ
orientation only.
orientation ରେ ତ ଯିବ
ସେଟା
page
orientation
ସେଟା
orientation
ସାଇଜ ରେ ଯିବ A4 ଲେଟର
ହଁ
A3
ହଁ
ସେଇଟା
ସେଟା
ଏଇଭଳିଆ
ଯୋଉ
ସାଇଜ।
କେତେ ଇଞ୍ଚ କେତେ ଇଏ ସେ ସବୁ
in MS Word 365 which option is not a valid option in delete cell pop-up window when deleting a row or column in a table ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଆଗରୁ କହିଥିଲି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଅପସନ ଥାଏ delete କୁ ନେଇକି କୋଉଟା ନୁହଁ
ସ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ ଯୋଉଟା
କହୁଛି ମୁଁ delete entire row shift cells left shift cells up shift cells right
Off. Shift cell off.
Off.
6
ଅଫ୍ ଟା
ଅଫ୍
ଅଫ୍ ଟା
second ଟା
ଟା
ସେ
ନାହିଁ।
shift
shift cells right ନଥାଏ ଅପସନ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅପସନ ଥାଏ delete entire row delete entire column shift cells up shift cells left ହେଲା ରାଇଟ୍ ନଥାଏ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ରାଇଟ୍ ବି ଥିବ ଭାବିବନି लेफ्ट आउ अप थाए
ତାହେଲେ
शिफ्ट सेल्स लेफ्ट शिफ्ट सेल्स
ଡାଉନ୍ ବି ନଥିବ।
हाँ डाउन भी नहीं किंतु ऑप्शन रे सेमती आसे लेफ्ट
क्वेश्चन टा आउथरे
हला लेफ्ट अछि तो राइट न थाए हला व्हिच ऑप्शन इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन डिलीट सेल पॉपअप विंडो डिलीट सेल रो विंडो जो जेतले आसे सेतले को ऑप्शन न थाए तो डिलीट एंटायर रो थाए डिलीट एंटायर कॉलम थाए ऑप्शन आसीबो शिफ्ट सेल्स अप भी आसीबो शिफ्ट सेल्स लेफ्ट भी आसीबो किंतु कोटा न थाए शिफ्ट सेल्स राइट न थाए which option in MS Word 365 changes the on-screen font size without affecting any other feature? Subscript, superscript, zoom, change case.
Change case.
ଜୁମ୍
चेंज केस
चेंज केस
ଜୁମ୍
चेंज केस
ଜୁମ୍
Without affecting any other feature.
जूम
Subscript.
जूम
Zoom. ହେଲା
जूम जूम
କଲେ ସିନା ନହେଲେ ତ ସବୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯିବ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ପଚାରିଛି without affecting any other features which is not a character formatting option in MS Word not a character formatting option effects indentation underline font style
ଇଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟେସନ୍
इंडेंट
correct indentation is a paragraph formatting option not a character formatting option which is used to set the layout option of a page in MS Word page setup review design draw
ସେଟଅପ୍
Page setup.
ପେଜ୍ ସେଟଅପ୍
Page setup.
correct page setup which which of the following can be used to select a particular word in MS Word document which of the following can be used to select a particular word in a MS Word document left click on the word twice right click on the word once left click on the word thrice left click once on the word
सर
Left
twice
ट्वाइस
click
जोटा ट्वाइस क्लिक एक
twice. Twice over.
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଫାଷ୍ଟଟା
correct left click on the word twice which of the following options in MS Word 365 is used to save an open document under different name to a different location Le-
Save as.
सेवन
ସେଭ୍
सेवन
ଆଜ୍
Save as.
step
सेव आज
step हिसाब रे कहबो step हिसाब रे layout then save home then save view then save as
ଫାଇଲ୍
file then save as
ଫାଇଲ୍
फाइल
ସେଭ୍
I'll
ଆଜ୍
save as.
correct file then save as and the shortcut key for save as is F12
F12
which of the following is used to in MS Word 365 is used to change the background color of the selected text paragraph or table cell font color text
Font.
effects shading text highlight color
Shading. Shading.
correct shading option
ସେଠି
सेटिंग
which tab is the default tab in MS Word 365 file home design layout
Home. Home.
ହୋମ୍
home
होम
which of the following command does not affect text font italic bold border underline
Border.
Border.
बॉर्डर
Border.
ବର୍ଡର୍
correct border which is not a valid option to insert rows and columns in MS Word 365 insert rows and columns insert left insert right insert below insert between
insert
Insert
between
bit.
बिटवीन
Insert.
बिटवीନ୍
Insert right.
बिटवीନ୍
insert right तो था
between
between न था insert
बिटवीन
between under which tab do you find preview results in MS Word references view mailings design
view
View.
व्यू
View.
view
mailings tab mailings in MS Word you can find the preview results option टा हला preview results in under mailings tab when you are working with a mail merge it allows you to preview how your merged documents will appear before completing the merge मेल ମର୍ଜଟା ବହୁତ ଦରକାର ହବ ଜବ୍ କଲେ ଅଫିସରେ ଯାହାର କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରରେ କାମ ଚାଲିଥାଏ ମେନଲି Which keyboard shortcut is used to open font dialog box in MS Word? Control plus
Control
D.
plus D.
Control D.
Control plus
D.
A.
D.
D,
D.
correct.
D.
D for dog. Control plus D.
D.
Correct. Which of the following is a sans serif font? ଏମିତି ବି ପଡୁଛି ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ. Which of the following is a sans serif font? Courier, Arial, Times, all of these.
All of
All of
these.
this. All of
all
this.
of this.
sans serif font ହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା କଷ୍ଟ ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ. ଅପସନ
Real.
ସେମାନେ ହେଲେ
Arial.
ଏରିଆଲ,
Yeah.
ଭର୍ଦାନା, କାଲିବ୍ରି ଏଣ୍ଡ ହେଲଭେଟିକା ହେଲା ଏମାନେ ହେଲେ sans serif font. ଏରିଆଲ, କାଲିବ୍ରି, ଭର୍ଦାନା ଏଣ୍ଡ ହେଲଭେଟିକା.
Calibrate default ରେ ରହୁଛି ନା
ହଁ
କଷ୍ଟ
ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ.
କେମିତି?
ହଁ କାଲିବ୍ରିଟା ବଡିଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ।
ହଁ ସେଇଟା. ଆଉ ହେଲଭେଟିକା ହେଲଭେଟିକା ଏମିତି ବି ଥାଏ. ହଉ ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହ. ଦ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ ଅପସନ୍ ଇଜ available under which tab of MS Word? Design,
Home.
insert,
Insert.
review.
Insert.
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 Which of the following words is associated with font option of a word processor? Outline, style, bullet, align.
Bullet.
Font option କହିଛି. Font option ରେ କୋଉଟା ଥାଏ?
Font.
ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ
Style ଥାଏ. Correct.
Style.
Style.
Which of the following is not a word processing software? Wordpad, MS Word, OpenOffice Impress, OpenOffice Writer.
Open office
Open Office
impress.
Impress.
Correct. OpenOffice Impress is a presentation software. In MS Word, dash means making changes to your text, transforming, copying, editing, selecting.
Editing.
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 Correct.
Editing.
Editing. ଏତିକି ରଖିବା କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ପାଇଁ ଆଜି.
Static GK ରେ invention ରୁ question ଆସୁଛି. Invention ଉପରେ
କ'ଣ?
invention.
ଡିସ୍କଭରି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇନଭେନ୍ସନ।
ହୁଁ.
RRB ରେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? କୋଉ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ଅଛି ଆଗେ?
ଏଲପି ନା କଣ ତ?
ALP.
କେବେ ଅଛି ALP?
23 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ.
ନଭେମ୍ବର.
ଏଇ ନଭେମ୍ବର 23
December.
ଯିବେ ନା?
November. November.
ଓକେ.
ଏଲଟିବିସି ହେବା ବେଳକୁ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ କେତେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ କି ଏପ୍ରିଲ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ ନା
କୋଉଟା?
ଏଲଟିବିସି।
ହୁଁ. The temples at Khajuraho were built during which dynasty? Lodi,
Chandela.
Chandela.
Chandela dynasty.
Chandel dynasty. Chasme Shahi is one of the Mughal gardens located in which city in India? Chasme Shahi, Uttar Pradesh, Kashmir, Rajasthan, Delhi.
Actually, Delhi.
उत्तर प्रदेश
Chasme Shahi Garden.
Rajasthan.
Chasme Shahi Garden was built
Rajasthan.
in 1632 by Ali Mardan Khan, who was the governor of Shahjahan. It is located in Kashmir, Srinagar, near Dal Lake. Next, when was revolt of 1857 finally suppressed by British? 1859, 60, 57, 61.
1859.
1859, correct. 1859 ରେ suppress ହେଇଥିଲା. When was first roundtable conference started? October 1920,
19.
1930
October 1929, September 1931, November 1930, August 1932.
November 1930.
November 1930.
November 1930.
Correct.
सप्टेंबर
First roundtable conference was held in London on November 12, 1930, but Congress did not participate in it.
Participate.
Second roundtable conference was held in London on 7 September 1931. Third roundtable conference 17 November 1932.
2
At that time, Viceroy was Lord Irwin. After signing which pact, Mahatma Gandhi attended second roundtable.
Gandhi Urine
Zero
Pact.
impact.
Gandhi Urine Pact.
Correct. Correct. After signing Gandhi Irwin Pact, Mahatma Gandhi attended second roundtable conference. B.R. Ambedkar and Dash attended all three roundtable conferences.
तेज बहादुर सप्रू
Sarojini Naidu.
Take Bahadur Shah. Sapru.
ऑप्शन लो सर क्या
Take Bahadur Shah.
Correct. B.R. Ambedkar and Tej Bahadur Sapru attended all the three roundtable conferences. All India Muslim League adopted the Lahore Resolution in which year? 1940.
1940.
1916.
40.
1940.
All India Muslim League केबे adopt ହେଇଥିଲା?
1906
1906
1940 ରେ adopt କରିଥିଲା ଲାହୋର ରିଜଲ୍ୟୁସନ କେବେ ଲାହୋର ରିଜଲ୍ୟୁସନ adopt
ସରି
କରିଥିଲା 1940
1940.
1940 next which article of constitution empowers joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha under certain
108.
108.
108.
article 108 fundamental duties in the constitution of India were adopted from dash constitution
Russia.
USSR.
Russia.
correct
Russia.
USSR. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected for the duration of dash years 4 5 3
6 years.
6.
6 years correct. How many tiers of administration are there in the Panchayati Raj institution? 3 1
3
3 tiers. 3 tiers. 3 tiers.
correct. Under which article of Constitution of India, President of India is empowered to issue a proclamation of emergency? 352,
Article 360.
52.
362. 360.
360.
352.
option
360.
option nahi 352
ऑप्शन टिके
352.
352.
correct 352 article 352 empowers president proclamation of emergency ଯେତେବେଳେ proclamation of emergency କୁହାଯାଉଛି ମାନେ automatically ସେଟା national emergency. Next, article 315 of constitution of India is related to establishment of what?
यूपीएससी
देशी
Correct.
UPSC.
UPSC.
Establishment of UPSC and State Public Service Commission. Next, who is the sole authority prescribed in Indian Constitution entrusted with responsibility of audit of receipts and expenditure of union and
कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल
And Auditor General.
CAG.
CAG.
correct
CAG.
Comptroller and Auditor General of India comes under which article?
148.
और 40
148.
हाँ 148 हाँ
148 correct. Which is a strait between Tamil Nadu state of India and Jaffna district of Sri Lanka? Strait of Malacca.
Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar.
Park Strait,
Palm,
Gulf of Mannar.
Strait of
Strait.
Hormuz, Bering
Park
Strait.
Palm,
Strait.
Palm Strait.
Correct.
Park Strait.
Park Strait is a strait between Tamil Nadu state of India and Jaffna district of northern province of Sri Lanka. It connects Bay of
Ramsar.
Bengal in the
Park.
east
Ramsar.
with Park Bay.
State India, Sri Lanka. Park
Correct,
State.
correct. Which river mainly flows in South Africa? Nile, Orange, Niger, Congo.
Hmm.
Nile.
Niger.
Nile.
Nile.
Orange River. Orange River flows mainly in South Africa. ନାଇଲ ତ ଉପରେ ରହିଲାଣି ସରିଯାଉଛି ସୁଦାନ ପାଖରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ crops that increase the natural fertility of soils through nitrogen fixation are known as which crops? Cash crops, legume crops, horticulture crops, fiber crops.
Legume.
Legume
Legume
crops.
crop.
Correct, legume crops. Next, which of the following is not one of the three business checkposts between India and China? Not one of the business checkposts. Lipu Lake Pass, Khyber Pass, Nathula Pass, Sipkila Pass.
Igor.
Khyber Pass.
Khyber. Khyber.
Correct.
Khyber.
Khyber Pass is not. It is
Khyber.
located on Afghanistan border
And up.
in Hindu Kush range. Indian subcontinent in general is known to have which type of climate? Temperate
Trop-
monsoon, tropical monsoon,
Subtropical.
Tropical.
Mediterranean, equatorial.
Tropical.
Tropical.
Tropical monsoon.
Tropical.
Correct. Tropical monsoon climate. Which basin is known for having large amount of coal deposits? Indus Valley, Mahanadi Valley, Damodar Valley, Godavari.
Damodar Valley.
Damodar Valley.
The Valley.
Correct. Damodar Valley.
Damodar.
During which years was the first five-year plan was implemented? 1947.
1951.
51
1951.
to 56.
Correct. 1951 to 56. Prime Minister was Jawaharlal Nehru. It was based on Harod-Domar model.
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 The cash reserve ratio in India is fixed by whom? SEBI, RBI, Ministry of Finance.
RBI.
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 Correct. Reserve Bank of India. In financial field, what does the acronym FCCB stand for? Foreign currency,
Financial.
foreign currency commercial bond, foreign currency corporate bonds, foreign currency convertible bond, foreign currency convertible banks.
Corporate
Foreign
bond.
currency.
Second, sir.
Corporate.
Second, sir.
Corporate bonds.
Wrong.
Second.
Foreign currency convertible bond.
Convertible one.
Convertible bond. FCCB. Next. GST is levied on dash. Source where the goods or services are produced. In each state where the goods or services are in transit mode. Destination where the goods or services are procured. Destination where the goods or services are consumed.
Consumed.
Last.
Second.
Transit mode.
First, sir.
Last one.
Third ta.
Last. Destination where the goods or services are consumed, not procured.
Consumed. Hmm.
ଯିଏ କନଜ୍ୟୁମ୍ କରିବ ସେଇଠି GST ଲାଗିବ. Next. For which area central government launched Sampada Yojana? Food processing, Balika, health, women improvement. Sampada କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଲାଗିଛି?
Health.
Health. Health.
ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ କିଷାନ
Food.
ସମ୍ପଦ ଯୋଜନା.
Food. Food process.
Food processing. It is a central sector scheme to supplement agriculture to create mega food parks, integrated cold chain, ଆଉ food safety ଆଉ quality assurance infrastructure ପାଇଁ launch ହେଇଥିଲା PM Kisan Sampada Yojana in the year 2017. Next, Jallikattu. What is Jallikattu? Options are traditional match,
Martial art. Martial art.
a traditional bull taming sport
Bull.
popular in Tamil Nadu, a
Bull rock.
popular water
Tamil
sport.
Nadu.
First,
Bull rock.
correct. A popular bull taming sport practiced in Tamil Nadu as a part of Pongal celebration. Ustad Mohiuddin Dagar is a legendary musician associated with which instrument?
Rudrabina.
Mohiuddin Uddagar. Flute, Rudrabina, tabla, sitar.
Rudrabina.
ರುದ್ರಮಣ
Correct.
Fluids.
tabla,
Fluids.
tabla.
Rudrabina. Rudrabina. Ustad Mohiuddin Dagar. Bina. Rudrabina. Next. Who wrote the novel The God of Small Things? Kiran Desai, Chetan
Arundhati
Mohan,
Roy.
Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy.
ಅರುಂಧತಿ ರಾಯ
Arundhati Roy. When is National Mathematics Day celebrated every year in India?
22
December
December.
22. December 22.
December 22. Correct. It has been celebrated since 2012 to celebrate the works of a great mathematician S.
ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್
Ramanujan.
Correct. S. Ramanujan, born in Tamil Nadu. In which state is Central Institute of Indian Languages situated? Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh.
Tamil Nadu.
Karnataka.
ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು
Karnataka.
Mysuru, Karnataka. Correct. Central Institute of
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ
Indian Languages. Smiling Buddha was the code name for what? Options are
Ah,
relief and rescue operations after
Nuclear.
cloud burst in Uttarakhand in 2013, relief and rescue operations after 2015 earthquake in Nepal, Pokhran 1 nuclear test conducted by India in
that.
Nuclear
1974,
test.
1. Last one,
Pokhran.
sir.
ಪೋಖರಾನ್
Pokhran Muse.
Pokhran 2 nuclear test conducted by India in 1998.
Pokhran.
One.
One.
Pokhran 1.
Kota.
Pokhran 1.
Pokhran 1.
One.
Correct. India conducted the first nuclear test in Pokhran on 18 May 1974. 18 May 1974. 18 May 1974, which was named Smiling Buddha. Second operation na kon thila?
Vijaya. Tina Vijaya.
Shakti, correct. Shakti na Vijay? Kota.
Doubt.
Shakti.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Tina
Shakti.
Vijaya बोलते. Vijaya doubt.
Shakti बोलते हैं.
Shakti bodhe.
चलो.
Operation Shakti. Next. तो दुईटा जाकर year जानिबा जरूरी. 1974 and 1998. In the third cell, the maximum number of electrons are dash.
हरा.
18.
18. Correct. 18.
18.
2 8 18 32
Which of the following gas was discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1760?
Hydrogen.
ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್
Hydrogen.
Correct. Hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766 and it was named by Anthony Lavoisier. What happens when quicklime reacts with water vigorously? Which reaction?
Marble.
Dhola heje.
Which reaction?
Marble.
Which reaction occurs? Double displacement
White.
reaction, displacement reaction, dissociation reaction, exothermic reaction.
Exothermic.
ಡಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Exothermic.
Heat generate
Exothermic.
kala mane seta hala exothermic reaction. So when quicklime reacts vigorously with water, a lot of heat will be liberated with a hissing sound during the reaction. It is an exothermic reaction. A heat generate jouthre bhi hala mane seta exothermic. Absorb hele
Endo.
Endothermic.
ಎಂಡೋ
endothermic. Which tissue helps in the transport of materials from photosynthetic parts of plants
Xylem.
Jalam. Jalam.
in ground? Correct. Xylem. Na phloem.
ଏମଟା ହଉଛି ଫୁଡ
ମୁଁ transport ମୁଁ କହିଛି ମୁଁ କଣ ପଚାରିଥିଲି transport of materials from photosynthetic parts of plants ମାନେ କଣ? ଖାଦ୍ୟ photosynthetic parts.
ଖାଦ୍ୟ ମାନେ ଫ୍ଲୋଏମ ହବ
Phloem. Phloem. Phloem.
ତ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କୁ ଘୁରେଇକି କେମିତି ପଚାରିଛି ସେ photosynthetic parts of plants ଆସୁଛି ସେଇଠୁ ମାନେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଆସିବ ନେକ୍ସଟ whose primary function is to eliminate the waste material from blood by urine formation kidney pancreas liver
Liver.
intestine
କିଡନୀ
Kidney. Kidney.
Kidney.
kidney correct
Kidney.
kidney's primary function is to eliminate the waste material from blood by urine formation. Who invented smallpox vaccine? James Chadwick, Rutherford, Edward Jenner,
Ed-
Louis Pasteur.
Edward Jenner.
ଲୁଇସ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟର
Edward Jenner.
Louis Pasteur.
Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner.
ଏଡୱାର୍ଡ ଜେନର ସ୍ମଲ୍
Edward Jenner. Smallpox କହିଥିଲି. 1796। ମଝିରେ କିଏ ବସିଛି? PQRS।
आर
ଓହୋ, ତମ ନାଁ
क्यू भी
ରାଜେଶ ବୋଲି
ହେଇପାରେ
ତମେ
ଆର ବି
ଆର କହିବ
ହେଇପାରେ
ନାଇଁ?
ହଁ
क्यू भी ହେଇପାରେ ଆର ବି ହେଇପାରେ।
ଏସ୍ ବି ବସିଛି।
ହଁ ହଁ ହଁ। ଆଉ ଏସ୍ ବସିଛନ୍ତି। ନେକ୍ସଟ। ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଅପସନ୍ କହିବ ହେଲା, ଚଳିବ ତ?
ଟ୍ରାଏ।
ला विदाउट क्वेश्चन ने भी କହିଦେବେ।
ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ରେ କେମିତି କହିଦେବ? କ'ଣ ପଚାରୁଛି ଜାଣିବୁ କେବ?
ଅପସନ ରୁ
ଅପସନ୍ ନାହିଁ ପରା। ମାନେ କିଛି କହିବିନି, ତମେ ଆନ୍ସର କହିଚାଲ ଆଉ ନାଇଁ। ହଉ, ନେକ୍ସଟ। Which device measures plant growth?
ଆରେ ଅପସନ ଟିକେ ଦରକାର ହଉଛି।
ଡେଣ୍ଡ୍ରୋଲୋଜ।
Crescograph. Which instrument measures the internal parts of the human body? ଅପସନ୍ କହିଦେବି କି? କିଛି କିଛିରେ କହିଦଉଛି। ସାକାରୋମିଟର, ପୋଟୋମିଟର, ଏଣ୍ଡୋସ୍କୋପ, ଏରୋମିଟର।
एंडोस्कोप
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 Endoscope. Which instrument is used in observing the sun and sunspots? Voltmeter, tachometer, lucimeter, helioscope.
हेलियोस्कोप
हेलियोस्कोप।
हेलियोस्कोप
Correct.
लूसीमीटर
Helioscope. Correct. Helioscope.
हेलियोस्कोप
Which instrument is used to measure the? अरे कौन आवाज आସୁଛି ଏଠି?
ଅପସନ।
इको होची
अरे स्वाधीन म्यूट कर दियो, कहला बेले कहयो. Which instrument is used to measure the hardness of plastic and rubber? Ergometer, cyanometer, durometer, seismometer.
यूरोमीटर
यूरोमीटर
ड्यूरोमीटर
ड्यूरोमीटर।
Durability ru durometer, correct. To measure the hardness of plastic and rubber. What is the instrument used to measure surface tension? Voltmeter, Beaufort scale, stalagmometer, hydrometer.
बी
ब्यूफोर्ट स्केल
Stalagmometer is used to measure surface tension. ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ଲାଗୁଛି କି ସବୁ? Next. Which instrument is used to measure the change in atmospheric pressure? Change in atmospheric.
बारोमीटर।
बारोमीटर
12
बारोमीटर
बारोमीटर।
ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଛି change in atmospheric pressure. Options are
हाइग्रोमीटर
options are altimeter, ammeter, barograph, barometer.
पैरोग्राफ
बारोग्राफ
बारोग्राफ।
बारोग्राफ
Correct.
बारोग्राफ
Barograph is used to measure the changes in atmospheric pressure, and only air pressure measures barometer. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? Altimeter, ammeter,
एमीटर
एमीटर।
ammeter,
एमीटर।
am-
एमीटर।
correct, ammeter. Which instrument is used to measure relative density of liquid? Hygrometer, hydrometer, thermometer,
हाइड
हाइग्रोमीटर।
हाइड हाइड्रोमीटर
हाइग्रोमीटर।
hygro.
हाइड्रो
हाइग्रोमीटर।
हाइग्रोमीटर
डी।
हाइग्रोमीटर द प्रेशर
ना हाइड्रोमीटर हबो हाइग्रोमीटर टा एटमॉस्फेरिक ह्यूमिडिटी
Correct, correct,
ह्यूमिडिटी
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 ର ସେଇଟା
correct, correct. ହେଲା ତ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି relative density of liquid ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲା hydrometer. Hydro, D for dog.
हाइड्रो ड्रो वाटर रिलेटेड
बिल्कुल. Next, which instrument is used to measure the humidity present in atmosphere? Screw.
Hygrometer.
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 Correct, correct. Which instrument is used to measure the distance traveled by a wheeled vehicle? Theodolite, odometer,
Speedometer.
odometer,
Odometer.
odometer,